Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name's Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today is gonna be making up for day 16 of hashtag 31 days of Halloween. There are probably gonna be multiple videos going up today, so just let it go if I can edit. So that's just taking me like actually editing because I have the time to edit. And then so I wanted to do like, I don't know if you've been on Twitter. I don't know if things get started on Instagram, but now it's on Twitter. But I'm calling out this girl for obviously photoshopping on, because they're so identical. Like little ghosts in her cut crease and little bones and all this other stuff. And she keeps saying, no, she's painting them on and everything. And it's like, it's pretty obvious. Well, it's not obvious to the people just looking at it, except for that it does look really perfect. But like these people like actually look and show you how you can, like, because she goes, you can zoom in on the texture, but it doesn't follow her skin and all this other stuff. Admit, don't lie. I'm like, I don't even know how that works on Photoshop. I might have Photoshop on my phone, I don't know, but I've never really messed with it because it's got like that learning curve and I just don't want to take the time to learn how to mess with Photoshop. So yeah, no. And I don't want to pay the money for the advanced version of Photoshop. So yeah, mine's cheap. But so anyway, I'm going to do a couple. I like going to Arena. That applies pigment like a boss. It's supposed to be a blending brush, but man, applying pigment like nobody's business. Okay. Maybe we will just make a halo eye. My eyes kind of want to do a halo eye. We'll do a little halo, little moon eye thing situation going on. Or I have lash glue stuck on my lash. It's fine. It might come off by tomorrow. I don't know. It might. I'm having all sorts of issues. But it's like more packing than kind of blending, which is fine. Right, I'm going to go into E3 again. Just that orange. I'm going to go underneath that. Work on blending it out. I wonder if it gets fluffier during washes. I don't know. I'm having fallout from something. Go on my finger a little bit. This has some loose glitter, so you know. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. I'm gonna leave it like that. Easy eye. Easy eye. Okay. Okay. No purple, like anything's gonna drag your skin a little bit. And see, even this picks up color. You need like single hair brushes. Pick up color. Very happens. That's how that's looking. Not horrid, but not the greatest. I think I might hit A2.
Not as purple or as pink as I might want to go. If that orange on this brush, it's fine. What do we... Does you signal happier then? Even with my work up here, okay? Stop interfering.
So I hope you like it. I think it's an improvement from last year. I did try doing the haunted house on my eye last year, so this is a good improvement. So anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles.